So I've made my own product, guys. I wanted to share it with you today. It looks simple, is simple, but it's actually quite clever. And it's solving this problem here, pouring paint. It's actually a lot harder than it should be. You end up with paint all over your can end up with mess everywhere. And one of the worst bits is you can never then get your lid back on your can because you've got bits of paint dried around the edge that stops the airtight seal of the can, can end up with wasting paint. Also, you can end up with dried bits falling in your can. So solve the problem with this. I'm going to show you how it works. So you simply take the lid off your tin as you usually would and clip this into place. It works with all tins at a 5 litre size, plastic or metal, and then you're just simply going to lift your tin and pour. It's that easy. Then once you finish decorating, it just literally clips back out. You can either wash it up straight away or let the paint dry. It's made from a fully recycled flexible plastic, so you can peel the paint off. And then the best bit, your lid goes straight back on the tin, no problems. A simple solution to a really frustrating problem. Hopefully you all think so too. We've called it the Paw Pro, and I would love to know what you think. Drop us a question if you've got any.